guys, just wanna share an update with my alocasia Jacqueline. So, actually this plant, tagal ko siyang hinanap for actually 4 months, no? Before nagkaroon ulit sa Philippine market. And nakuha ko siya. I'll put a picture here ng ganito. Nakuha ko siya ng 3 leaves in Manila, and then I traveled going here in Isabela for 9 hours. Dala ko siya actually sa harapan ng car, sa paan ko. And then, alam naman natin here in Isabela at mainit dito sa Isabela. So, nakapag-adapt naman siya, tumagal siya ng few months, and then nag-drop yung 2 leaves niya. So, ito na lang yung remaining original leaf. Yan. So, medyo nag-yellow na din, pero hopefully, matagal na siyang ganyan eh. So, hopefully, maintain lang niya na ganyan. And then, a month ago, nag-push out siya ng leaf. And I didn't expect na ganito siya kalaki. So, nakikita niya naman yung size difference. Grabe. So, super saya ko talaga. What I like dito sa leaf na to is, unang-una is yung texture niya. Para siyang may mga balahibo na maliliit. I don't know if you can see it. Ayan. And then, I'm not sure kung ganito talaga yung color niya na dalawang green. So, ayan. I don't know if you can see the leaf ng close up. Pero ayan, grabe ang ganda niya. Super textured. Paparinig ko sa inyo. Then, another thing na nagustuhan ko dito is yung kanyang stem. Ayan. Para siyang, zigzag. Para siyang zebra stripes. Ganyan. Ang galing. And then, I just checked right now na pag-ikot ko kanina, nagpo-push out na siya ng kanyang second leaf from the time I got it. Ayan. Nice. So, I'm very happy about this one. Grabe. Ito yung hand. For comparison, this is my hand. Ito yung leaf. Ayan. Hopefully, the next leaf din ito is ganun din siya kalaki. And that's one of my favorite right now na alocasia, na plant in general. And that's the plant highlight of this greenhouse cabinet, Alocasia Jacqueline.